One of my favorite reasons to use Outlook with all of the options in the same application is because the different sections work really well together. The good news is new Outlook retains these features. Let me show you what I mean in today's video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Click the subscribe button down below to be told as new videos become available. That's every week. And remember to click that notification bell. One of the most useful options that I use all the time is the ability to take one item in Outlook and make it into another one. The one that I think you'll find most useful is the ability to take an email message and add it into your calendar. So find the email. And all you're going to do is left click and drag over to the calendar icon in Outlook. When I let go, it immediately creates a new event, as they're called in new Outlook, and it's pulled in all those details from the email automatically. One thing to note is that this has now made it a meeting. So it's read that it's an email, it has an email address, and it's made it into a meeting. It's taking the subject from the email and making it the subject of the meeting. It's pulled in the email address, and then the original email is now available in there as well. If you do want this to be a meeting, just correct the date and time because it's choosing the next available one for today, which is likely to be wrong. So just change that date to whatever you need it to be, and it shows you if you're free or not. If you don't want to make it a meeting, find the email address and click on the X and remove that. Don't know if you've noticed, but it changed it from send the meeting to save. So even though it thinks it's a meeting at the top, that actually will no longer send it as a meeting, but will save it into your calendar with the same details. Found this tip useful, then please do give the video a thumbs up to like it, and I will see you next time. If you've recently started using the new Outlook desktop application compared to Classic, then you're going to want to sign up and get access to my spreadsheet where I'm recording all of the differences that I'm finding as I go through what's been removed, what doesn't work, and what's been added. This is free. You simply need to sign up. You will be joining my mailing list and you'll get access to the latest version as I update things. The link is displayed below or in the description. Click on the options to expand the description depending on which application you're using.